Yeah, man, what's up, my good people, my good friends. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anywhere you are, man. You understand? This is the guy from Forex Strategy Factory. This is me, man. I got something to say to you this morning. You're gonna learn a lot from this that I'm gonna say right here now because I know this word is gonna bless the life of a lot of people right now. You're gonna learn something you've never learned before. For you're gonna see what you've never seen before. Honestly, you're gonna be glad you watched this video. Now come, let's talk about this thing. Look at this pair in my front and look at this chart the way it looks. Okay? Now, let's say we're looking at this market right now, and I tell you, you know, you know it's going down, right? You know it's going down. Okay? Good. This is the reason why I put my trend line right here, pointing down, and all doing it going down. Great. Now look, before we ever anticipate that this market is going to be going down, we were in. We jumped in because we understand it's going to go down. Now, how do I know it's going to go down ever before it started that down? Okay, because first of all, looking at this down movement and down journey, it is the first stage of going down. This is the first stage. It's not even the second stage, it's the first stage. But what happened? I quickly spot this thing and I jump in. I remember I jumped in with this one and this one went against me. But I know that it will never in this world, it will never pass this highest high it ever made here. This is why it got there, bounced back. Alright, which I added one more pair here, facing down because I know it's down. Okay, when the trend of the pair is down, everything about your knowledge, your mentality is going to be to focus down. You will never trade against that direction. Now look, let me tell you something. Okay, the fact that the trend is down or the market is going down does not mean that there are no people buying it. What you see here, look at me the way I'm touching here. Now these candlesticks came down, but eventually it came jump here and started what? Some people bought it right here. Okay, if you see what happened here, it's touching a kind of support line. Some people bought it quickly and maybe they took their own profit right here. You understand? Maybe you don't know what is going on. Let me tell you something. Now look at this moving average. This moving average is 25, as you can see me touching it. Look, when this 25 is pointing up, in the short term now, I'm talking about the short term trend following trader. When you see this moving average 25, which is this green I'm touching now, pointing up, look, the only thing you're going to go put in your head is, okay, the 25 is pointing up, right? Now let me go and wait. I want to go wait. I want to go wait because I know that 25 is going to turn around and price is going to jump down very soon. Okay, so now you don't want to jump into a buy with this 25 because it's pointing up. If it's pointing up, it's going to jump down and start coming down. This is what you want to think about. Now look, when you now following this big trend, you know it's going down, right? Now when do you want to sell? Whenever this 25 is pointing up, that is when you go and wait for sell and you sell. Now look, let's go and do one thing more. Look at, we got ourselves from this point here and this 25 started going down. Now I'll tell something. This 25 now is going down, is pointing down. Now, what am I thinking right now? The only thing I'm thinking right now is that this 25, very soon, it will bend up and start going up. Okay? But where is it going to end? See, I think it's going to end around here. Because in the long run, what it's going to do is going to cross this big 800 moving average, which means finally change to down. But right now, what we're doing is it's oscillating around the top and bottom. Okay? Now, good. What I'm going to tell you right now is that, look, I want to show you something. Look at this thing. I'll show you what is manipulation. Even this thing went overnight to hit our take profit level, but the broker did not give it to us. You see, this is called manipulation. This is what I want to use to open your eyes so that you know what you're doing. So that you don't go and start to overtrade or take a big loss size. These things, they happen. Okay? But because they happen does not mean I should be getting angry with it. No. That is the way market behaves. Okay? Good. But what we know is that this big trend is going down. Now, like I told you before, I said, look, my friend, it's not because you are selling that you will not see people who's going to buy. Okay? Now, look at, we were going down, right? We were going down. Okay? But look at what happened. Somebody somewhere bought this thing and target this candlestick. See? Oh, this is called manipulation. Okay? Now, this is why you don't use tight stop loss. Because a lot of you will just come and pick a trade. You say you're scalping and you will scalp with one size because you sure it's going down. You scalp and you do 5 pips stop loss, 10 pips stop loss. Now, this one will clear you away and clear you in loss. Instead of you to make profit, you're going to go be in loss. You understand? This is the reality of my own stop loss, 50 to 100 pips. Take profit, 50 to 100 pips. Think it. Do you understand? Now look at this. We are going down in the long run. If this thing to go down in the long run and follow the big trend line, look, everything that will happen will only hit this trend line and bounce back. Look, why did they buy here and why did it end hitting this trend line? Why does it bounce back when it hit this trend line? Look, why? Because no matter how they manipulate the market, it will only get somewhere and reverse. Look, it reverse. Okay? So, look, this is what I want to show you. Because there's a thinking about Forex and the psychology of Forex, okay? Psychology of Forex. You understand? The psychology of Forex and the way we think. Why do I think exactly the way I think? You see? I think exactly the way I think when I'm looking at this moving average 25. It's passing me a message. The message it's passing me right now is that it has gone down a lot. And if I'm going to do anything right now, I have to go and wait until it turns around to buy. This is the thinking I'm having now. Now, what is this telling you? Before this buy will ever happen, I started thinking that, okay, I will be preparing to buy. So what? Very soon, if you watch, this moving average will get somewhere here and then turn around and start going into a buy. So does that mean that even if it bought, will it cross this one here? It will never. It will only come down here and then buy, then it will hit this trend line and start going down. This is the proven result of the way we think as a Forex trader. You understand? This is the knowledge that is behind that. And when you see something like the price, like a candlestick, is crushing a moving average and going below it just like this, even with the wicks, this is a sign to tell you that down is coming. Down is coming. This is the direction the price will go. It's showing you before it ever will go. Okay? Now good. Let's go to another one. We want to show you something. Look at this. Look. The first indication that indicates that a downtrend is coming on this pair is this price coming to pierce and break below this moving average 800. I didn't say you should go and use it because You don't know the way I use it. One day I'll make a video and tell you what the way I use it and what I'm thinking about when I'm using it. This is indication of this pair will change into a downtrend. Okay, now let's forget about that. If you look at it, I'm selling, right? I'm selling. It went against me like shit. Okay, it went against me, but I know I'm selling. Okay. Now, why did I sell? You see, based on the same principle I explained before, when I look at this moving average 25 pointing up, the only thing in my head is, okay, let me go and wait for any sell signal I see. So I thought I got a sell signal right from here previous day, which I sold this. And now I started getting some sell signal, very strong sell signal, which I will begin to add more sell, because I have seen this one. Oh, this is a symbol of this price will crash down. Then what is in my head? I will continue to add the sell as I see them, anticipating this price will crash to the downside, and it might end up here or end up somewhere here before this green 25 will go up again and create another kind of lower high and start going down. Do you see this thing? So I will make this video properly next time, but this is just a little tip I want to give you. As you can see, it's crashing right now, and what you see in here, it will definitely crash. It got no choice, but it's got to crash. Okay, so this is my belief about the way I think about the market, and how I look at the market at a glance, and now make something up for you. Okay, this is the way to think. Okay, we don't need to start chasing. We don't chase that price, man. Gone are those era when you don't know where the market want to go. The ability to make profit in this forex thing is try to think. This is the point. Okay, but I tell you, there are this spiritual aspect of forex. Look at this one is kind of spiritual aspect of forex, where some people knew that this candle will come, and they were in before this candle ever come. They knew they were in, okay, and they get out from this point here. Oh my God, how did they know? They know because we operate the same principle. How did I know that I'm gonna start selling ever before that sell started? My friend, this is the spiritual aspect of forex, whereby you have been programmed to know ever before it happens. So I'm gonna sign off with this video right now. I say thank you very much. Wait for the next video I'm gonna do about this. Thanks a lot. God bless. Bye.